Hi there, Lens here. So this video is a bit different as I'll be talking about internet marketing and email marketing on a whole. So yes, these days we find it difficult to achieve our goals. And I just want to talk about email marketing and how useful it is. Almost all businesses nowadays are using email marketing because it is effective. Majority of individuals are on their mobile devices and their email is connected to their device. So if they subscribe to your list, if you have a product, a service to offer, or to email an update, a follow-up, you can do so by the click of a button. So this brings me to Aweber, and I will choose Aweber over MailChimp, and this is because it is not limited to what you can do. You're not restricted, and you will find a link in the video description if you would like to go and check this one out. For email marketing, I'm telling you, for business persons, entrepreneurs, companies, small businesses, even YouTuber, vlogger, you name it. We all need something to reach people with. And I'm saying email marketing is one of the best way of getting our services out, getting that product out, getting our latest activities out. When it comes to YouTube, it is a form of marketing as well, and YouTube is a great search engine. And when you look at YouTube, once you get persons to subscribe and to hit the bell icon, every time you post a video, they get an email. If you go live, they get an email. So marketing in general is very, very important, and I highly recommend marketing. So if you're looking for a marketing platform to use, I want to recommend Aweber to you. The link is in the video description as well, and check this one out. I know that there are a lot of affiliate programs out there on the internet as well, and many persons are really wondering how to go about doing things. The secret is building an email list. So you want to build an email list. When you have the list, you have money in the list. You can convert leads to sale. You can convert subscribers to money. But you need to start. And where do you start? Aweber. I'm Lens, and this video was a bit different. I'm in the technology niche and I need email marketing as well. So check Aweber out and subscribe to my channel. For questions and comment, do so in the comment section below.